Hello everybody, Aiden Bean here. We're doing some rail fanning today. When I heard this horn from this train, I'm like, this is not normal. They must have new units. Man, I love rail fanning. But guys, I'm sorry that I haven't really posted in about almost a week. It's just because I've been busy with, trying to fix relationships with friends, and yeah. Is it me, or does this look fresh? Like the wood, no, but the rails, yeah. It's just like the top of it that looks clean. They must have a cleaning crew come out. Maybe, I'm thinking. Because the other ones, they don't look as clean as this. I don't know. But that was a cool catch. I'll see you all when I'm not sure if these two flashing lights is when trains pass, or they're coming. I'm going to say they're coming. And since if they are, they're going to be coming all the way from that direction. I'm thinking maybe, I think it's Bensonville Rail Yard, or it's Franklin Park Rail Yard, because the 3 videos that I posted yesterday are all from Franklin Park. This is Elmwood.